What is a measured building survey and why should you care? If you're planning an extension, renovation or major build, you need accurate information. That's where a measured building survey comes in. A measured building survey records data on the inside and outside of buildings and provides you with anything from simple floor plans to an intricate 3D model. Typical products include floor plans, roof plans, elevations and cross sections. On site we use a variety of equipment including the latest static laser scanners and SLAM technology to capture everything from walls, windows, doors, ceiling detail, heights and levels. This enables architects and builders to work with accurate data, not guesswork. Laser surveys combine 3D laser scanning, drones and traditional tools to collect accurate data quickly and with minimal disruption. So what do you get from a measured building survey? Deliverables include 2D floor plans, internal and external elevations, cross sections, roof plans, reflective ceiling plans, BIM-ready 3D models in formats like Revit or IFC. These can range from simple massing models for planning studies like rights of light analysis to detailed architectural models showing MEP and materials. Here's why a measured building survey matters to our clients. Clear planning. Exact data means architects and engineers make confident decisions. Accuracy. Avoid delays from redesigns or avoid ordering incorrect quantities of materials. Cost and time savings. Reduce surprises on site, build faster and stay on budget. We've surveyed homes for refurbishments, offices for office fit-outs and heritage buildings for listed upgrades. In every case, our surveyors help professionals base their work on reliable data, whether they're designing kitchens or preserving historic facades. If you are starting any build or renovation, a measured building survey is your foundation of your project. Laser Surveys delivers tailored 2D and 3D deliverables that support design, planning and construction workflows. Contact us today for a free consultation and quote. Get clarity, avoid mistakes and build with confidence.